Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a very long time since I've done a video on this channel, a live video. I posted a couple of shorts and I think I posted a tutorial. I can't remember, but this is the first time I've been back in a long time. You guys see my face. So before we get into the video, if you are not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Also make sure you're following me on social media because I've been posting on there more than I've actually been posting on YouTube. So with that being said, let's get into it. So I'm doing a, oh god, my hair is so frizzy. It's finally warm here in Michigan and my hair is frizzy. The window's open, so if you hear cars going past in the background, I'm not shutting the window because it's muggy in here. So anyway, I have, as you can tell from the title, I have a Shein haul for my business, and I just want to show you guys what I got since you haven't seen my face in such a long time. So let's go. So these are some hoop earrings, and if you guys have been following me, you know I've been making jewelry, and you can check that out in my shop. It's my regular website, but the jewelry line is called Charlie Rain. So yeah, so these are just some hoops that I got. I hope you can see that. So what I would do will like add something to these. I just wouldn't leave this plain. And this came in a pack of 30. So this will make 15 pairs of earrings. So that's that. I got some little moon charms, which will come in handy for my cloud and moon, crescent moon line of earrings that I've been posting. I have a few things in the works. So there will be new drops coming soon, so don't worry about that. But these are like tiny little crescent moon charms, if you can see that. It's kind of bright in here. And these came in a pack of 50, I believe. Let me see. It doesn't say. So these were actually a pack of 30 or 50. I want to tell you guys, but I'll have to look online and I'll post it on the screen how many is in here. But these are pretty inexpensive and I want to play around with them, and if they fade, I probably won't order these from Shein anymore because I don't want to sell people earrings that fade, if you know what I mean. So ironically, I've had my sterling silver Tiffany's band turn black several times. And that came from Tiffany's, guys. But yeah. So next I have these awesome little leaf charms. They're so cute. These are also gold. This year I'm not going to miss starting to make my fall and winter stuff early. You guys know with my health, it's been up and down, really more down than up. So I got 2 packs of these, and these also came in a pack of 20 or 30. Next we have some yin and yang charms. These are silver. So you can see that. Normally I get my charms in like, especially like my rhinestone items and things that I want to be actually like gold or hypoallergenic or sterling silver. I get them either from Amazon or a jewelry supplier I go to, or Etsy. But I decided to try out these things from Shein. So these are just like rhinestones, and I'll probably use this as like a top base for like some dangle earrings or something. I don't know, I'll come up with something awesome. And I'm losing my voice because I'm getting a cold. So I got 2 packs of these, and these actually, it does say these came in a pack of 30, and I already ordered 2 of these previously. I just didn't show it in my haul, and you know, this haul or before. So I wanted these last time, and then I was like, oh no, I don't need these because they won't work. But for something that I will be working on in the future, they actually will work. And these came in black and white. I'm trying to get both colors out for you guys so you can see both colors. Okay, so you see one is black and one is white. I hope it's not too much of a glare so you guys can see. And these are really cute. Really, really cute. I got some strawberries for kiddos because the basis of my website is stuff that I make for kids, but I started incorporating adult items. So I have these cute little strawberry charms. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to use these to make a necklace or to make earrings. And I actually could have made these myself, guys, but when it's already made for you, I take the time to make it. So I want to show you all of the stuff I got for the jewelry first, and then I'll show you the stuff I got for a lot of the stuff. I got packs of 2, so I'm just putting the duplicates to the side. Okay, here we go. I don't know how to act, guys. It's been so long since I've been on camera, besides Greg and I doing our movie reviews, which is cool because he can do most of the talking. These are like connector little rhinestones, and I use these for my special occasion jewelry earrings that I've made. I have a shimmer white and a matte black on the website right now. They are so adorable. I love them. And it's great for like prom, wedding, anniversary dinner, or if you just feel like being fancy one day, you can wear those. And I try to set my jewelry prices in the mindset of what would I pay for this, And I've seen other people make something similar to what I make, and the prices are way higher. So these are like silver stars, and it has rhinestone in the center. I wanted the silver. I have gold already, but I want the silver because some of the items that I make, sorry about that, some of the items that I make are silver. So just putting that out there, guys. And so these are triangle connectors, or you could use these for like accent pieces. What I plan on using these for is for like accent pieces for earrings that I make. And these are super cute. And when I ordered these, I'm so mad I didn't realize they had some with rhinestones on them. I would have wanted these. So these are like earrings. I opened it up so you can see it. So they close. I'm assuming they go in your ear this way, and then they close like that, and then you could either do it this way or that way. I don't know. However, I'm going to decide to use this and put attach either charms or the base earring that I make. So that's that. So now let's get into the stuff I bought for my UV resin and my epoxy resin. So I've been playing around with that lately. Less sewing, less creating custom shirts because of my health. So and I have a serious severe back pain that I'm dealing with. I had an x-ray on, and I also have an MRI coming up in June. So if you want to keep up to date with me, some of my diehards that have been with me for a long time, if you want to keep up with that, I will probably post on my social media, or I may talk about it on my Nika's Life channel. So follow there for updates on my health. But it's pretty sucky right now, guys. Just put it like that. And I'm smiling even though I am in an extreme amount of pain. My throat is sore and my ears hurt. So I love you guys. So that's why I'm making this video. But I got these. These are like little stirs. And previously I was like, oh, I don't need that stuff. I can just use the popsicle sticks. Well, those work, but I find that I'm using a lot of popsicle sticks and having to purchase popsicle sticks over and over. These are reusable. 50 of these, great. I can do what I'm doing and have them when I'm done, as opposed to having, seriously, big trucks, by the way, are not supposed to come down this street anymore. Just a little tip. if you live in my area. But yeah, so I figure if I buy reusable stuff, it's better. I'm spending less money, you know. Stop telling the kids, hey, send me that popsicle stick. So these are I guess they would be like geode charms. So if you're like making maybe a geode style whatever with the resin, that you could use these. But I'm actually going to use these to try to create a geode mold. And I have a quick TikTok that I wanted to post of me making some of my own molds for Christmas. Sorry guys, that was mucus just gets me. Okay, how do you open this thing? Having a little trouble opening the package, guys. And I don't know where my scissors are. Ah, there we go. Hercules in effect. Maybe not. So this is like a little silicone tool scraper, I guess, to maybe spread around your resin. So I'm trying to buy more silicone items so they, you know, I could just let them dry and then clean them off and continue to reuse them as opposed to disposable items. And these actually can work for my resin or my jewelry line. Actually, I think I bought these for the jewelry. These are really fine point brushes, so I plan on doing a couple of things where I need to paint a color on, so these will work great for either or. So I got some more tools. This came in a pack of 40. So in here you have these little, oh, that one's bent. These little droplet things that'll be great for like if you need to pinpoint color in your mold. These little cuppies, which come in handy for mixing and stirring. And I got some more little cuppies with a little spout so you can pour. And then more popsicle sticks that, of course, I'll use even though I have those other items. Then I have these I bought for bookmarks. I have a ton of these already, but I saw these, so it's like it doesn't hurt to have more. Oh, I did forget jewelry things. So I did buy silver, like those gold earring clasp things that I showed you. So I'm just going to show you that. So I got silver also. And then I have these cute little avocados. These cute little avocados. They're so adorable. I'm going to use these to make like a necklace or whatever for people that love avocados. These can be used for either the epoxy or my polymer clay jewelry or my other jewelry. These are just like rope necklaces. Now I do have some that I got from Amazon. These are actually shorter than the ones I got from Amazon, so I'll probably use these ones for like kids or people that like shorter necklaces. I'm about to start going really fast guys because my throat hurts really bad. God. Okay, let's finish with the tools and then I'll show you the new molds I have. So I got these finger protectors, or as my daughter likes to call them, finger condoms. And I don't know if I can say that word on Instagram. I mean on YouTube. More sticks. Oh, and it came in a pack of 40 pieces also, or 30, whatever this one was. And I didn't realize until the box came, I opened it yesterday, that I ordered a pack of 40 different items. I ordered 50 stirrers, and I got another pack of like 30 to 50 items, so whatever. Doesn't hurt to have more of these, and more of these cute little stirrers. I don't know guys, sometimes I just add stuff to the cart and then when it's time to pay, I just pay, and then when the stuff comes, I'm like, why do I have so many of these? Okay, so my molds fell. Of course they fell because my back hurts. I'm so sorry guys. I have to keep clearing my throat, but I got this. I thought it was going to be bigger than this. And it'll work for like tiny things, but it won't work for like my water bottle or my tea mug. frame or anything like that. I have something else with glasses, because you guys know I love making decorative glasses. It may work for my champagne glasses as like a bottom, you know, a built-in, what do you call that, coaster. So this, I think, is supposed to be like one of those shaker molds. I'm going to try that out, maybe today, maybe not, but whenever I try this one, I will post that on my TikTok and my Instagram business website and personal one. I mean, business Instagram and my personal Instagram. What is wrong with me? Sorry, guys. So sorry. I keep apologizing, and I know you guys are like, stop apologizing, Nika. I miss you guys so much. And like I've said before, if you're the type of person that doesn't like talking, when I'm talking to you guys, I feel like I'm talking to a friend. So if you don't like me talking to you guys like that, if you don't like videos like that, then more, I'm happy if you go see someone else. I'm not going to cry about it. You know, it is what it is. But this is me. And if you don't like me, you can watch another YouTuber. But I got these, and these are so much bigger than I expected. I thought they were going to be tiny. So I do have this face in like a gold charm that I got off Etsy. So I think what I'm going to do is use that face and make a mold, because this one is just too big. So I wanted to try it out first before I actually made the mold, because I was like, there's no point in me making, wasting the rubber, when I could just use that to make a different kind of mold. Yeah, so whatever. So I got these because I've been seeing so many people make these on TikTok, and I think they're just awesome. You could create your own pins, or you could sell them, whatever. So it's 3 different sizes. So I will have to buy the pin inserts because they didn't come with this. But that's it, guys. That's it for my haul. Why have I been absent? My health. It's no other reasoning besides my health. And I thought initially, after the, you know, I got through the cancer surgery and chemo, that things would get better and I would just have to deal with, you know, my pre-existing lung issues and other issues that I deal with. But I think the chemo has taken a real toll on my body, and it really sucks. And over the last few months, my back pain has just gotten so bad that I just couldn't take it. And if you know Nika doesn't call the doctor unless I really need to. So I called, and, you know, we're going through, like I said, x-ray. Got the results from the x-ray. Not promising. Not promising at all. And I got, like I said, the June 3rd, I have an MRI coming up. But when I'm sick, guys, I'm sick. Like, my body is just like weak, and I can't move, I can't do anything, and it's really bad because I'm like, I'm not that old and I can't do these things, and it sucks because I'm a mom, and I, you know, my youngest 2 are old enough to fend for themselves, but, you know, and dad's here, but Nika wants to do things, you know what I mean? I have a great support team, my family, they're great. But there are just things that I want to do for myself that unfortunately I can't do, like walking up and down the stairs, which sucks because it's finally getting nice. I want to work on my garden with my back being like this again. Okay, I'm done. And our new dog just broke down the gate, so I have to go check on him. But like I said in the beginning, guys, if you are not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you give me a big old thumbs up so I know what kinds of videos you like. If you are not following me on social media, go ahead. I will link all of that in the description. If you need me to leave you like direct links to the stuff I got from Shein, let me know and I will link that. But yeah, all the stuff, guys, I got from Shein. So with that being said, I will see you when I see you, because I don't know when that'll be. Bye.